welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how you can get emojis on Windows 10 with no software. So let's get on with it. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is make sure your Windows is fully up to date, and we can do this by clicking on the notification center in the bottom right, click on expand, and then go ahead and click on all settings. Once here, you can go ahead and click on update and security, and then go ahead and click on check for updates, and you want to make sure that your Windows is fully up to date. So now you're running the latest version of Windows, what you want to do is go ahead and click on the Windows icon and the colon button, and it's going to bring up the emoji panel just like this. The colon button will be next to the L key on your keyboard. So you may be quite familiar with this. It's going to look something like the iOS emojis, where you can go ahead and scroll down and select them. You'll also have categories at the bottom here, and you can go ahead and select the different colours of emojis as well. And if you want to actually go ahead and use it, all you need to do is go ahead and click on somewhere that you can type. So say Google, for example, go ahead and click on the Windows icon and the colon button at the same time, and you can go ahead and click on the emojis that you want to select. Now you can pretty much do this anywhere that you can type. You can also rename folders and files as well, just like this one. And if your emoji panel does disappear every time you select a single emoji, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the Windows icon and type in emoji. Then you want to go ahead and click on the top result. Then make sure that this box is ticked so the emoji panel doesn't close automatically. And that is all you need to do to get emojis directly built in Windows 10. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. Thank you for watching and have a good day.